Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have the Summer 2020 FabFi Fun Box, so let's check it out and see what's inside. Here we go, the big reveal. Da-da-da. So here it is. Here is my Summer 2020 box. There were about 5 customizations, so in 5 different categories I could choose the item I wanted. So let's see what I chose. The first item is a beach towel. The brand is L Space. This is a giant, beautiful tie-dye beach towel with fringe on the edges. It's super big. Here it is. I love it. I cannot wait to use this summer. The next item is Hydropeptide Moisture Reset Facial Oil. The magazine says this has a value of $120. It is made with pure plant oils and rice bran extract. The blend nourishes the skin's lipid barrier. Definitely a pricey item I probably would not buy on my own, but can't wait to try this facial oil. The next item, oh, these are sunglasses from Tom's. So here are the sunglasses. I love these. And these are from Tom's and they have a value of $58. Next is a satin pillow sleeve. And this is actually, I already have one of these. I bought from the same company, Silk. So I already know that I'm gonna love this. And it's just a sleeve, so any size pillow will fit into it. Both sides are open and you just slip your pillow in it. And this is satin and it just feels so great at night when you're sleeping. And I just slip this over my regular pillowcase and I love these, so I'm so happy to have another one. Next is Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray. It says blow it up when you blow it out with a no-weight network of heat-safe high volume. So you just mist it on your damp hair and blow dry. The magazine says that this will give your hair incredible volume, texture, and body with this lightweight spray. So I cannot wait to use this the next time I dry my hair. So the previous items were ones that I could actually choose in certain categories. The next 3 items are the ones that FabFitFun chose for me. So these are a complete surprise. So we will see what they chose. The first item, I need to check in my magazine. This is Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. I actually needed a new eyebrow pencil, so this is perfect timing. And one edge with the color, and the other side has the brush. So this is from the brand Winky Lux, and I've never used anything from this brand before, so I look forward to trying this item. Next is Spongel Hand Cream Coconut Verbena. Not sure if I'm saying that right. I love the brand Spongel. I use the Spongel soap infused body buffers and I really don't need any more hand cream, but I'm gonna open this anyways. We'll check it out. Oh, it is definitely has a strong scent. Reminds me of the beach, so this is definitely a summer theme. This scent actually reminds me a lot of the sunscreen my mom used to use on me when I was a kid. So I actually love that. It's kind of bringing back those memories, but it is a strong coconut scent, a very summery beach scent. So this is the Spongel hand cream. And the last item is more cream. I really don't need any more creams, but this is foot cream. I wear flip-flops all summer, so maybe, and winter actually. So maybe this is a sign that I need to take a little more care of my feet. That's one reason I love FabFitFun. I would never buy blood orange foot cream, but I'll definitely use this. It smells great, and it's great for summer, flip-flop season, all of that fun stuff. And that was everything in the summer 2020 FabFi Fun Box. Again, 5 of these items were customized, so I would love to see what you chose for your FabFi Fun 2020 summer box with your customizations. If you have an unboxing video, I'd love to see it. If you could put your link in the comments below, and also stay tuned. I can't remember which side, but I'll put a link to my add-ins unboxing. I also ordered some items deeply discounted that arrived the same day as my summer box. So those items were from FabFi Fun, and I can't wait to check out what I received with my add-ons. I actually forgot all of the things I ordered. So check out that video as well. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and have a great week.